Welcome to the Cotswold, one of the most beautiful parts of England that is packed full of so many iconic locations. Some of the most beautiful towns and villages in the UK, from the Castle Combe to Bibury, Broadway, Bourton on the Water, the Slaughters and more. Come with us as we explore the beautiful Cotswold of England.
Welcome everyone to our channel. Today we travel all the way to the Cotswolds, a beautiful place here in England. There are a variety of places that you can visit here in the Cotswolds, a lot of different villages. Today we are in Broadway and we're visiting a very iconic special landmark, Broadway Tower.
We begin the video at one of the highest points of the Cotswold, Broadway Tower. You can see for miles over the rolling hills of the Cotswold and much of this part of England from here. It's also located next to the town of Broadway itself, also known as the Jewel of the Cotswold. I'm not gonna lie guys, I was expecting a bit taller than this. Isn't just me, no?
Yeah, it seems it's not that tall.
It's actually not that tall. They said it's the second highest point in the Cotswold.
Broadway Tower is a tower built in the 18th century and it's part of the town called Broadway in Worcester that belongs to the Cotswolds.
Yes, the second highest point in the Cotswold apparently, guys. So guys, after going to the castle, you can have like a little hike around this nature reserve bit to see more of the deers on that side.
Yes, I think you can enjoy it. You can come to the castle and then you can enjoy like a nice little walk.
Yeah.
I wouldn't call it a hike, it's just a walk.
And guys, don't forget the castle is an option for you to go to. It's a museum, it tells more about the history, but we decided not to do it just because I just feel like we want to spend more time outdoor. Guys, I'm dressed like a farmer today.
Perfect for these muddy roads.
Oh my god. Guys, I'm so hot. Don't worry. It's meant to be cold, okay? Now we're gonna go up this bit, back to the cafe, have something to eat, and make it to the next destination in the Cotswold.
Stow-On-The-Wold is a medieval town that was founded in the 11th century. Stow means church or holy place, and wold means hill. This market town is located on top of the 800-foot hill and is known for its beautiful stone buildings and winding streets. Stow-On-The-Wold is home to a number of independent shops, cafes and restaurants, as well as the ancient St. Edward's Church.
Guys, this is why we came to this place. So there's a door, and a medieval door, that's on St. Edward's Church. And I really want a picture with it. Come and see.
Someone in there?
It's so spooky. Or is it just me?
It is. It's just having these two trees.
It sets the vibe so well. So well. Guys, we're here at Stow-On-The-Wold and the famous destination St. Edward's Church, which is where we're at right now, with a very medieval door.
This town is actually very popular because of all the historical buildings that they have, coming from St. Edward's Church to all the,
You can hear the church right now.
yeah, you can hear the church, to all the buildings. But also, this town had it was very important during the Civil War that happened here in Britain. So it's quite historical.
It just looks like we're just in Lord of the Rings or one of those type of medieval shows when you look at the door, don't you think?
Absolutely. The thing is, as you drive and you get into the Cotswolds area, you can sense, I don't know, you feel like you're in a fairy tale,
Yeah.
or like you're going back in time.
Yeah.
So I was talking to a friend thinking our question is, do you think the church was built on purpose there because of trees, or they built it, or they planted trees?
Just because of the church.
Just because of the church.
Which way round is it?
I know, it's a tricky one, but it's a beautiful place. I kept thinking how, you got a graveyard next to a church. It's a very British thing.
Very British.
Yeah. Right,
So
Alfred.
I'm guessing in Spain, where are your graveyards? They don't have graveyards with the church.
We do, but we have specific places for graveyard. Right, after seeing the church and the door, famous door, we literally drove 30 minutes here waiting for parking.
Yeah.
To see that door.
It took us 40 minutes to find a parking.
I know, so long.
It's busy.
But now it's time to explore this little village.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay guys, so we now just arrived. We've arrived at Bourton on the water, so as known as Little Venice off the Cotswold, or in the Cotswold. We're just trying to find parking. It's actually a big car park, and we'll give you the details of the prices and how long you can stay for as well.
Yeah, 2 hours, 450. Got it now?
You're looking around. So this is actually the biggest car park we've seen
So far.
so far.
Yeah,
in the Cotswold.
I
I've
agree.
got to say, finally, actually, finally. Bourton on the Water in the Cotswold is a beautiful riverside village known as Venice off the Cotswold. This popular countryside tourist destination and holiday village is stunningly beautiful. The stunning village is a tourist attraction here from the Cotswold, where you have motoring museum to the model railway building, and then doing the river for some lunch in one of the prettiest places in the whole of the UK.
It's good, isn't it?
So cool. I feel like a giant.
You've seen the hotel we had lunch in? It's really cute. I can't believe that. It's detail.
And everything is built with the same stone that they used to build the houses in the Cotswold.
Really? Wow.
The same stones.
To be fair, they've done it so well.
So much detail.
Like their walls. Did you look at the walls?
Yep, the same stones.
Oh, okay. The shops.
So what did you think of the model village?
That was actually impressive. I did not expect that.
Like, so much attention to detail, honestly. And there's like a model village within a model village. And then
Within
a
another model village. So they were becoming smaller and smaller. You know,
Yeah.
like, what is these type of toys that you put in?
Yeah.
Russian toys?
I think it's a Russian type of Russian dolls. Isn't
Yeah,
it?
the Russian dolls.
Yeah.
It was good, actually. Really
Definitely worth it. It's like £4.50 for an adult, and I can't remember the child ticket. I'll find it online, but yeah, I think it's definitely worth it.
good. Definitely, yeah.
And they use the same stone to build those model village houses as these ones, like these stones here.
Yeah, it looks so real.
Yeah.
Honestly. Just like Alfred said, you look like you're a giant there.
I feel like a giant. Yeah.
So where we go next?
Next, we're gonna go to Upper Slaughter and Lower Slaughter.
Let's see.
A bit of a walk.
Let's see.
In Bourton on the Water, you'll find pubs, restaurants, cafes, and tea rooms. But there are also popular tourist and visitor attractions such as Birdland or the Model Village. As you can see, we visited ourselves. Hi guys, so we've had our scones and tea as you saw, and it was delicious, honestly. Soft and moist, wasn't it?
Yeah.
And it didn't crumble. Oh my gosh.
It was amazing, actually.
And the one thing about the Cotswold, it has a lot of tea rooms, plenty of tea rooms. So, you know, there's enough for everyone to enjoy.
Absolutely, yeah.
So now we've arrived at Lower Slaughter. It's about 10 minutes drive,
Yep.
but 30 minutes walking from Bourton on the Water. We decided not to walk this time because we felt like
We've been out all day, that's why.
and we will run out of time for our parking by the time we come back.
Yeah.
So we're like, okay, let's just drive it.
Yeah.
And then park. And then we parked in Lower Slaughter on like one of the side roads, and it's free. So, which is fine.
Yeah. Let's see what this walk has. Sorry guys, the battery of the camera died.
It literally said battery exhausted.
Exhausted.
I swear, I didn't think we filmed that much for that to happen.
I don't know. We have actually.
Oh.
But yeah, so we're just gonna do the walk from the lower slaughter
Yeah.
to upper slaughter. See what we have, yeah?
Yes.
Okay.
To end our trip, we did a quick visit to Lower Slaughter and Upper Slaughter. This small village outside Bourton-on-the-Water and is known for its charming streets lined with thatched cottages and a beautiful mill by the River Eye. The village is surrounded by stunning countryside and is a great place to relax and unwind. Lower Slaughter is linked to Upper Slaughter by a 25-minute walk each way.
Hello guys. So we stay in Lower Slaughter and we decided that we're gonna drive all the way to Upper Slaughter because one, we are a bit tired. It's about a 25-minute walk. You can do it on the road, but personally I think it's a bit dangerous. Or you can go through the muddy path. So that means
through the meadow.
through the meadow.
But you have to wear like wellies and like hiking boots to do that.
Yeah.
But we've been constantly changing our shoes today.
Constantly, yeah. And we've been out and about a lot, so we decided to just drive there.
Yeah.
And then one day we're gonna do the whole walk only there. Okay, so let's see. We're just curious to see what we have. We're just curious to see what we have in there, right, Catherine?
Yeah, I literally just want to see what's there.
Yeah, that's it.
Hi guys, so we made it to Upper Slaughter and the area is literally just houses. There's no like town centres or little shop. There's no shops at all. So it's new developed houses that are getting built, and there's like there's a hotel and a restaurant just here, and that's it.
That's it.
That's it for Upper Slaughter, and it's just like a nice walk. We can see where the walk starts and ends. It's a nice walk between Upper Slaughter and Lower Slaughter.
Yeah, it's just a walk.
So we were thinking like next time we're gonna do the walk only, just to get
From Bourton on
the water to Upper Slaughter,
all the way
and then come back. Yeah.
Which is quite like an hour and a half or 2 hours walk.
Yeah.
But I feel like we were talking that we should come one day just aiming for that walk, and that's it. Instead of just, we visited 3 different places or 4 different places today. It was quite a lot. And between driving, changing shoes, we didn't feel like it. Plus, as you can tell, the day is getting quite dark now.
Yeah.
Very dark.
And I didn't think I mentioned this before. We've actually been to the Cotswold before, but we've been to the south part of the Cotswold. So we're going to insert some pictures and clips just for you to see that right now.
Yep. And then at some point we will go back to this one and do the vlogs.
Because we're at the north
Cotswold.
of the Cotswold, and you know last time we went to the south. So
that's it. Yes.
it.
It's quite beautiful, guys. We 100% recommend one of these Cotswolds itself.
I recommend coming during Christmas and autumn. I'm not gonna lie to you.
It's better.
It's so much better because I just think all the colours, the decorations, it's just so nice. Like the vibes, the energy it's giving off.
It's different.
Yeah.
It's different. If you like exploring and walking, you know, not the hectic life of London or a big city, this is actually the time.
This is the area.
The area for you to come and
Definitely.
see. Good things as well is that everything you see around it are, you know, small shops, small owned shops. Private owned. That is more little business shops that they have.
You wouldn't find a Starbucks here.
Exactly.
It's just like a normal private owned, I don't know, little coffee shop that you will see. Or like the tea rooms.
Which makes it even more special.
Yeah.
Definitely. Yeah. Well, we hope you enjoy, guys. We'll continue doing more vlogs here in Cotswold. It's just so big. We can't just do one in one day.
No.
We hope you enjoy. If you enjoy, let us know in the comment below. We'll see you in the next one.
Bye, guys.
Bye.